to bring both programs together onto one location, it really was an access issue for our students. Like, a lot of them don't have transportation or drive yet, or have mom and dad available during the day to take them between each campus. We offer really a comprehensive menu of all kinds of different elective options for students, not only from home, but also here in person. Now they can go to the fitness center, their dance room, their culinary classes, their photography CTE pathway, and their medical assistant classes. It really does afford students the opportunity to do all of our programs here at VCIS.
One of my favorite things about this new campus is that since everyone's familiar with each other, we now have everyone interconnected, which is really cool, and you can kind of see that taking place in our new area where we have our COS counselor's office and psychiatrist office, and then we also have tables outside for the kids to sit, and that's kind of become headquarters where kids like to hang out because they see support for their future college life, and also for any type of mental health they're struggling with, they can talk to the psychiatrist there.
We offer these medical programs to students here. Students have the opportunity to take these, whereas if we didn't have these, who knows if they would be able to take them outside of VUSD because they are so costly. And here we can provide them with a free education, get them a jump start on their career in the healthcare field. Honestly, one of the biggest benefits is having a centralized location for all students. Like, all their resources are here instead of having to go back and forth to other campuses. We even had staff that would travel back and forth to other campuses to teach different classes. So it's also a benefit for the staff as well.